One of the problems with the Zoom H1 being such a light and plasticky device is that it transmits a lot of noise through the handling of it. So I've stuck it on a tripod. Can you hear me touching the table? You should be able to hear the actual sound of my fingers rubbing against the table, but are you getting like microphone noise? That's what I'm after. And now I'm going to pick the zoom up on the little mini tripod and walk around with it. So just hold on for that shot. So we should be getting a decent sound and probably a little bit of wind noise because it's still friggin' windy, which is most annoying. We haven't had a still warm day for it feels like months, but it probably hasn't been quite that long. But yeah, so I'll cancel the face tracking and show you what I've got here. So this is the zoom. You should be hearing some weird shit going on with the stereo imaging, but hopefully you're not hearing any noise. Well, microphone handling noise from the zoom as I walk around the garden on this very lovely day apart from the wind. I might see if I can no, I won't. I was going to say I might see if I can line this up with the iPad, the LumaFusion on the iPad, but I've learned that yeah, that's possible, but it's a pain in the neck. It's a pain, so I won't do that. How does this look? How does it sound? I know it probably looks fantastic because I'm in it. And before I go, we'll do a bit of testing standing out here where the wind is gusting a little bit. So this is the sound from the Zoom H1. Now we'll switch to the DJI Pocket. So this is the sound from the DJI Pocket 3.